Bulgaria's defense forces marked a major milestone with the arrival of their second U.S.-supplied F-16 Block 70 fighter at the Graf Ignativo 3rd Air Base. Touching down precisely at 15:26 local time, this sleek, single-seat multirole aircraft, bearing tail number 313, strengthens Bulgaria's ongoing program to upgrade its aerial combat capabilities. The reception was led by high-ranking military officials, including Chief of Defense Admiral Emil Eftimov, Air Force Commander Major General Nikolai Rusev, and the base commander Colonel Metody Orlov, underscoring the strategic importance of this delivery. These new fighters represent the latest iteration of the F-16 Fighting Falcon, globally recognized for its advanced technology and combat versatility. Equipped with the cutting-edge APG-83 AESA radar system, sophisticated avionics, and a next-generation mission computer, the Block 70 variant is engineered to excel in both air-to-air and air-to-ground engagements. Its integrated electronic warfare systems and enhanced processing power provide the Bulgarian Air Force with a significant edge in modern combat scenarios while ensuring seamless interoperability with NATO forces. The Ministry of Defense confirmed that after arrival, the jets are undergoing rigorous technical inspections and flight evaluations before being fully operational. The transition to the F-16 Block 70 from Bulgaria's aging MiG-29 fleet marks a profound transformation for the nation's air force. This leap forward not only modernizes Bulgaria's aerial combat capabilities but also guarantees compatibility with NATO's standards and supply chains. With enhanced situational awareness, multi-role flexibility, and improved logistical support from U.S. and allied partners, Bulgaria is reinforcing its strategic defense posture, especially crucial given the regional security dynamics surrounding the Black Sea. This milestone is part of a larger, two-stage acquisition plan under the United States Foreign Military Sales (FMS) program. The initial contract, signed in July 2019 and valued at roughly $1.256 billion, secured 8 F-16C divided by D Block 70 jets along with comprehensive pilot and maintenance training, munitions, and ground systems. This purchase stands as the largest military investment Bulgaria has made since the Cold War, signaling a firm commitment to NATO's integrated air defense network. A subsequent FMS deal approved in April 2022 expanded this order by an additional 8 F-16 Block 70 aircraft, costing approximately $1.3 billion. With a total of 16 fighters expected by 2027, Bulgaria aims to fully retire its legacy Russian-made MiG-29s, whose outdated systems and supply dependencies have increasingly posed challenges for sustained operations within NATO frameworks. Admiral Eftimov emphasized during the ceremony that the country remains on schedule to receive all 8 jets from the first batch by the end of this year, with initial operational readiness projected soon after. The second group of aircraft is slated for delivery by 2027, aligning with Bulgaria's wider defense modernization initiatives, which also focus on upgrading air defense systems, enhancing command and control infrastructure, and participating in multinational military exercises to bolster combat preparedness. This delivery highlights a decisive shift in Bulgaria's defense capabilities and strategic outlook. The F-16 Block 70 stands out as a powerful, technologically sophisticated platform with performance levels approaching those of fifth-generation fighters. Its ability to detect emerging threats, survive contested airspace environments, and execute a broad spectrum of missions will significantly elevate Bulgaria's role in NATO's collective security efforts and strengthen regional stability in the Balkans and the Black Sea zone.